I've been sifting through the SUV market for quite some time already, and I really noticed that many more people are trying to get their hands on value-oriented but high-quality vehicles. That's pretty understandable, considering the economy we have right now and the things related to that. Of course, that also means that automakers like Kia are taking bold steps in making these desires of the SUV consumer market reliable. In recent years, it has produced exceptionally good SUVs, ranging from the ever-popular Sportage to the downright practical Niro. And this 2024, the brand will offer good stuff to you. Hello, car aficionados. This is Ted from CarlandTV. In this video, I listed some of the best Kia SUVs that you need to check out this 2024. All of these are familiar names to you already, but in their 2024 model year, expect great twists. Before I start, I would like to ask you the favor of hitting the subscribe and notification bells. They help the channel a lot. Now let's get back to the video. (2024) Kia Niro. Many SUVs are suitable for city drives, but if you want something that is fashionable and gentle, the 2024 Kia Niro is an excellent pick. This SUV will offer great perks for you, including its cutting-edge design and versatile trim packages and features. The starting price of the 2024 Kia Niro is about $28,000, and it will give you a 1.6-liter four-cylinder hybrid powertrain that generates up to 139 horsepower. Needless to say, this is a bit underwhelming. Now, you do have a choice to get a plug-in hybrid version of this SUV, which offers up to 180 horsepower and an estimated electric driving range of 33 miles. But if you want to get the most value, I suggest you acquire the EX Touring trim, which has a cost of about $33,000. This one gives you the best features equipped for the Kia Niro, such as its fog lamps, sunroof, 18-inch wheels, rain-sensing windshield wipers, and a large 10.3-inch infotainment display. Keep in mind that these upgrades aren't present on the LX base model. The 2024 Kia Niro has a standard 6-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. At the same time, it is also worth noting that this particular SUV is exclusive to front-wheel drive only. I can say that the 2024 Kia Niro will not thrill you with its driving demeanor, but I guess its automaker designed it to be that way. Meanwhile, the interior of the latest Niro has a contemporary feel thanks to its sculptural structure. According to the automaker, the upholstery and headliner of Niro were crafted from recycled material, which is a huge plus for me. Furthermore, this vehicle offers a comfortable passenger space, despite being a small crossover. To top it off, the ambient lighting in the interior will give a touch of luxury to each drive. 2024 Kia Sportage. Spaciousness is a priority for many SUV buyers, even those who are browsing the compact segment. Hence, the likes of the 2024 Kia Sportage are becoming a top choice in the market. Primarily, the Sportage is a two-row crossover, but has enough space for its passengers to experience comfort while on the go. It has more legroom on its rear seat, and its cargo space is about 40 cubic feet. The Sportage isn't lagging in the competition either. While the Honda CR-V or Mazda CX-5 proves to be a better choice than Sportage, it still has a plethora of features and capabilities that can make your head turn. Plus, the fact that it is a more affordable choice proves that this SUV has its own following. Most trims of the 2024 Kia Sportage run on the front-wheel drive. Needless to say, there's an all-wheel drive variant you can get. The latest also has incorporated airbags on its second-row seats. Notably, there are LED projector headlights installed in all of its trim levels. The price difference between Sportage models isn't that big, but if you really want to get the most out of your bucks, the EX trim is a good choice. With a price of $30,000, the EX trim has a host of wonderful features, like its wireless smartphone charging, heated front seats, and 12.3-inch infotainment screen. The cabin of the 2024 Sportage is eye candy. Aside from its digital display, there's also an appealing two-tone scheme that you can try. It has an attractive console and a large digital display that encapsulates the high-tech quality of the Sportage. Perhaps the only drawback of this vehicle is its lackluster engine, as it only generates up to 187 horsepower. However, this isn't an issue for buyers who just want a reliable, smooth-driving SUV for their commutes. 2024 Kia Sorento. The 2024 Kia Sorento isn't out on the market yet, but it is an SUV that I'm too giddy to check and drive. Ever since it was released on the market, Sorento has been known for its no-nonsense driving capabilities. It stayed that way, and buyers are pretty much compelled by it. The 2024 model year of the Sorento will come with a new makeover. This three-row SUV will have an updated design. For example, its new grille and headlights have been refined to match the design theme of the all-electric EV9. Its interior gets some fresh touches too, especially its larger display screen. But more or less, it has retained the upscale quality of its previous models. Right now, I am not entirely sure about the powertrains that will be used on the SUV's gas, hybrid, and plug-in hybrid models, but I do assume that they might stay the same. But if they get a boost, then good. It is also possible that its standard models will come in front-wheel drive, with an all-wheel drive mechanism remaining available. Based on the previous generations of Sorento, it is safe to assume that it will have the same trim levels. If this is really the case, I highly suggest you check out its EX hybrid model. It comes with a cost but arrives with a turbocharged 1.6-liter four-cylinder hybrid powertrain. This particular powertrain gives the EX hybrid more command and power on the road. It also boasts nice amenities, like its heated front seats, rear cross-traffic alert, blind spot monitoring, and a much more sleek styling. Overall, the capabilities of the 2024 Kia Sorento are worth anticipating. We all know how good the Sorento is as a three-row SUV, so I'm pretty sure that Kia won't degrade the riding comfort, handling finesse, and power that Sorento has under its hood. This is a Kia SUV you need to include in your shopping list this 2024 Kia EV6. Do you want an electric SUV this 2024? Then, lo and behold, the 2024 Kia EV6 might be the unit you are looking for. With its superb driving dynamics, roomy cabin, and savvy design, the 2024 model year EV6 will prove to be a passenger-friendly SUV. What I like about the EV6 is that it doesn't cause any transition from driving a gas vehicle to an all-electric unit. It will ensure a pleasurable driving experience without the need for you to tinker a lot. The performance of the 2024 Kia EV6 is definitely outstanding. With a starting price of $44,000, this EV offers up to 310 miles of driving range, according to EPA estimates. And that is just the base model. If you get its GT performance version, the vehicle can generate up to 576 horsepower, which translates to lots of acceleration. But I know that some just want to maximize their driving range. So, if you belong to this bracket, the all-wheel drive wind trim is the ideal option for you. It is more affordable but provides high-quality features, such as its all-weather traction. This particular trim has dual motors that generate up to 320 horsepower. As an EV, the Kia EV6 boasts fast-charging capabilities. Its DC charging has a rate of 225 kilowatts, so this unit will get ready fast. It is a good feature for those who usually travel long distances. In this aspect alone, I can say that the EV6 is better than some of its competitors, including the Nissan Ariya and the Ford Mustang Mach-E. The interior of the EV6 exudes a futuristic theme. It married high-tech amenities, such as its digitized dashboard with its practical features, for example, its multiple storage solutions. The two-tone, two-spoke steering of the Kia EV6 will definitely steal your attention, while the gold accents placed on the cockpit provide the SUV with a premium glitz. 2024 Kia Telluride. If I am going to name the best Kia SUV out there, I'll pick the Telluride in a heartbeat. This SUV offers a generous cabin space and a comfortable riding experience, which is a must-have for many SUV buyers. Even the base model of the Telluride is well-equipped already, so you can really expect good things from it. This three-row SUV is one of the best purchases you can make, especially if you have no plans to dip into the luxury segment. With its handsome styling and upscale cabin, the 2024 Telluride is designed to cater to an extensive range of SUV buyers. However, I am pretty sure that it would really appeal to families out there. If you're into adventures and getaways, the 2024 Kia Telluride will not disappoint you. It has a towing capacity of 5,500 pounds, which will allow you to carry all your gear. Inside the vehicle is a spacious cargo room to haul your other luggage. It's also worth noting that this off-roader has a ground clearance of 8.4 inches, enabling it to traverse challenging tracks. What is so wonderful about the 2024 Kia Telluride is that it is available in multiple trims. The base LX model has a starting price of $37,000, and as I mentioned, it is already a well-equipped unit. But I am definitely checking out the higher trims, such as the SX. It strikes a perfect balance between price and luxury features, such as its second-row captain's chairs, Harman Kardon stereo, 12-way power driver's seat, and 20-inch black-painted rims. But all these trims are available in an all-wheel drive option for an additional $2,000. As a midsize SUV, the 2024 Telluride is equipped with an aspirated V6 engine that generates up to 291 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque. By all means, it has the power and speed to give you rugged but refined adventures. Its engine is then coupled with an 8-speed automatic transmission that runs the front wheels. But then again, you can get the all-wheel drive option. Moreover, it is fitted with standard driver assistance features that will make each of your commutes safe and cozy. And that completes our list. Thanks for sticking to the end. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and share buttons. I know it's a chore, but it helps the channel a lot. Until next time, drive safely. Drive safely.